Kei te kaha prakatihi i mua I tā rātou kēmu whakamutunga.
We're still enjoying ourselves and enjoying the company and growing each game. So despite the result, we're still happy to be where we are at the moment.
I te rātau I toa a Matatū I te whakataetai Super Rugby Aupiki, engari kua rereke I tēnei tau, kei te wāhanga tuatoru o te poari. A pōpō kei te pakanga rātau ki te tīma o Chiefs Manawa. Ko tā te tahi o ngā kaitākaro a Shea Robbins Reti, he mea nui te rongo me te kite I te ao Māori ki roto I te tīma.
There's only a few Māoris within the team, but our coaches like to integrate Te Ao Māori within our environment, and it's quite humbling to be able to still have that connection and getting to know each other. We do Te Whare Tapawhā to get to know everyone, and it's just like awesome, I guess, connection back to the whenua.
She's one of our tūhono leads, one of our matatūtanga in and around connection, and what she does in our group is so special.
Ko tēnei te kaupeka tuatahi mā Robbins Reti ki Matatū. I hunuku ia mai iahi te reiria, ki reira tākaro riki ai mo te tīma wahine o Canberra Raiders. E ai ki te kaiwhakākua Whitney Hanson, nā tōna piri mai ki te tīma, he nui ngā hua kua puta.
Oh, she's been awesome. I think you can look at some of the superstar things she does on the field, and then when you get to look a little bit deeper, you see what she does off it. Yeah, we wouldn't be who we were without her.
She's a truly amazing person. Connection is probably a word I would use to explain her. She's part of our tūhono, which in our matatūtanga, that is our connection piece. She does amazing at bringing people together. What she does out on the field as well as off the field is huge for Matatū, and I can't imagine it without her.
Whai muri te kaupeka nei kei te hoki atu a Robbins Reti ki ahi te reiria kia tākaro anō I te riki.
Hopefully Matatū want me back again. I'd obviously love to come back here and do one better that we did this year, but yeah, definitely would love to come back.
Ko te tūmanako ia, ka hoki mai a Robbins Reti ki Aotearoa kia kite mātau I aia e tākaro ana ki te whira mō Matatū hei te tau e heke mai nei. Hali tai te pitama, Tahu News.
Ko te reo